Okay, Jim and John. So here the 131 has arrived. We checked it out. It has all the new mechanics, this time from Italy. It actually looks very good. That makes me happy. It has a backing and everything in it. What we did then for you is we opened up here and the same on the other side, and with the hand wheel we adjusted for height so that we sit right at the bottom edge of the belt so that we get maximum height out of it because of it. Then we adjusted here and on the other side for the angle so that we are nice left and right. On this machine you have the stops that give you the left and right where you are relative to the belt, but of course also in the inside you have the adjustment here that gives you symmetry if you need it. Okay. And we are fairly reasonably symmetric. We also on the inside here, we adjusted to about a small to medium radius, not even in the middle position to do this. And you see here an edge where I tested it before. So this is what we are running. Of course the weld is not 100% straight, but I think it'll do exactly what you need to do. And now we are going to grind this side. You see basically the weld before. We're not going to go all the way to the top. We are going to stop. You see that here. We're going to stop slightly short, and then I'll flip it and see what that does. So we have the machine sitting on fast for the belt speed. Oscillation is on. Turn it off. So this is your edge. And then I'm going to reverse them. And then you see that we have a step in here a little bit, but therefore it's clean all the way through here. Maybe we need to go a little bit shorter. You see that we have a mark here, bad weld. That would be that. I need a little bit more here. There. I mean, no matter what you do, you're always on one side. You're going to have a little bit of a step if you go that way. Here, we are not 100% symmetric. We could use a little bit more here, but that's, like I say, is because the box isn't perfectly square. So, I am going to send you this box and this video, and that is basically what you need to know about the 131. Sorry for the noise. The 131. Everything else is just like on all the other machines. Belt tracking and so forth is done underneath here for up and down. And you have the pin here where you can try check your position on the part, right, so that you don't grind into your sides. But that is the same on the 136 and on the 135 also, of course. Okay, so and that should conclude that. You see how the part sits on the belt. That part is pretty much exactly the belt width. But we don't have good pressure up here where we are off the back plate, and that's why you see a little bit of a step in there. Okay, good. Like I say, this machine is really designed for a 5-inch part, not for a 6-inch part.